So now I'm fixing iron swords. Iron sword bags. Iron sword, right? Yes. Add effect card to player. Health. True. Again. What? Oh. Okay. There we go. Add combo. Wait, as combo card to player. Okay, that's enough. There to left. -3. There we go. So I should be able to see an error. One, two. Okay, ruins. Let's take the grass. So now I need tree and stone. Tree and stone. There. Grass. There we go. One, two, three. Okay, there we go. We have the crash. Look at this. It was a problem with the particle system. So this got activated. Clip event 62. Slash game object. Set active. Really? What happened with this? Oh. So this is set as Boolean on enable particles play. Particle play on enable play. So what is the thing that happened? Slash blue. Oh. Missing particle system. Yes, it's missing. Why is it missing? No idea. So let's go hero slash blue. There we have the particles. So let's edit this. Sparks, right? Let me check the configuration. Okay, everything looks okay. Renderer. Velocity over time. When does this get destroyed? Slash. So that's the slash. Core. We have a slash. What? This is nothing. Doesn't show. Okay. That's the core, and these are the sparks. The sparks. Do I have sparks? I don't have sparks. Size, noise, custom data. Core. Slash particles. Play. So for some reason this is getting destroyed. Slash particle. When is this getting destroyed? Slash blue. Particle play. So this is destroyed for some reason. Slash blue. Where is the slash? That one, particle play. Then let's see what happens. There it is. Oh, missing. Did you see that? Why is it missing? There, it's there. But somehow it gets destroyed. Play on awake. Custom data, none of this is enabled. Looping. Wait a second. Maybe it gets destroyed automatically. Core. Let me check. In Unity 6, why is a particle system automatically destroyed? Okay, stop action. Main module. Stop action property. Oh, look at this. Important. Is alive. Mm-hmm. One cycle. Start delay, start speed, start size. Maybe I should set the stop action, right? Then let's see. Public void awake. Particles stop. Wait, where did you say we had the stop action? Stop action. This doesn't exist. Main. Oh, main. It's a main. Stop action. Stop action equals delegate. Let's do that like this. Oh, this doesn't work. Let's do a particles dot set active. No, false. That's what I wanted. Particles main. Okay, so this is not a variable, even though this is a variable. Okay, I need to do it like this. There, so there I have the main. This doesn't work. Oh, particle system action. So this is something disable. There, I don't want this to be destroyed. I just want this to be disabled. There. And anytime when it's enabled, it's enabled again. Let's see. Unity, this stop action. Let's see. Disable or destroy the game object. Or to call on particle system stop when the particle system stops and all particles have died. Particle system on particle system stopped. On particle system stop. Okay. Okay. Particle system stop. Main loop false duration 1 stop action disable. Okay, so now the particles should be disabled, not destroyed. There it's enabled, and there. Isn't that great? Then let's see. So oh 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 oh. Shouldn't it be enabled? Stop action. Okay, let's do particles. Not enabled. Let's do game object. Set active true. So now, great. There, I fixed it. There we go. Problem solved, I guess. Let's save. And we have let's change the starting configuration. Do we have a sword? No, let's see. Iron sword. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's side this one. Let's try again. Okay, we have the iron sword. 2 slots left. Okay, this one, and this one. 2 slots left there. Let's add effect card player, health, drop. There we go. Let's get rid of this one. Let's see. There we go. Seems to be working fine. But he gets super stuck. There we go. Another error. All right. There we have the error fixed. What could be the problem? Oh, the same problem as before. This is missing. Chase target is missing. Why? Why? Let me see. Their entity goblin being killed. Their axe battler killed goblin. Remove from list target this one. So I have 3 targets. Why? Why we had 3 targets? And now we have 2 targets. There, 1 target remains. Why? So why is this 3, right? Combat target list. Let's check references. I mean this. When do I get to add? If it doesn't contain, add it. Oh, you know what? What if this is null? Well, if this is null, then it doesn't get added. What about this? Next target. Remove the one on the first place. Next target. Active target priority. Remove combat target list. Okay. Previous active target. Okay, so it never adds a null. Never adds a null. There, let's see, remove from list. Target, trigger on kill event. Why do I have this if remove from list is already here? There. On kill listener. Trigger on kill event. There. So this isn't needed. So hellfire. Okay. Okay, so this isn't. Maybe the problem is when I modify car/card item visited. Wait, this one. What? There. So there. Temporal change active target. So that when it collides, it gets the collided enemy and gets the auto battles manager. Previous active stores the previous one. Combat target list. Why? I think this is wrong, because then it means it can be repeated. So let's do this. Let's do a remove. Just in case you are not there. So remove. New target. And then it's there. So can I do an add combat target? There. Find all references. Also, and every time it enters the collision, the close combat zone collisions, it gets added as a target. So that list, this list can have many items actually. Many items. So it's okay, this is good. Otherwise, if I don't do this, if I insert it, it may be duplicated, so that's okay. So that's the right approach. I think that may fix it. So there, the idea is to never duplicate an entry, an item on the list. Okay. There I have the sword. I have this. Okay, let's do this. 2 slot left. There, add effect cards, health, true. There we go. Let's do a cave. There, it gets everyone killed. Then next one, this is the next one. Alright, nice slab. Let's see if this is fixed. Oh, it doesn't seem it's fixed. Because he's staying there without moving. Entity. Oh, look at this. Many missing. Many are missing. That's bad. Check this out. No, not this. There. So when the goblin is killed, or just there, axe battle killed goblin. Look, three targets in the combat list. I had 3. Why did I have 3? 3 combat. That's weird. That's the same problem as before. So let's see. Let's control every single use. So if it's not contained, it's added. Okay. Remove. Okay. So I want to see that it doesn't get duplicate. Set up target hit. Okay. Count. Get active target. There, I change it temporarily. First it's removed, then it's inserted in the first place. So there, if it's not contained, returned. Hello friend. So there, then it's removed, then it's inserted. Contains. If not contains, return. Okay, so it gets removed and then it gets inserted. Also, is this relevant since you're making a 3D game? What you mean? What you mean, my friend? What you mean? I don't understand. I do not understand though. Not understand though. So this is removed first, and then it gets, the first one gets inserted. Oh, but this is the chase target. Oh, the scratch project I linked. Oh, I can't see the links. Links are forbidden, so I can't. Sorry, I can't see the link. I cannot see the link. I can't click it. I can't. I cannot click the link. So sorry to say. Links are evil. Links can be viruses, you know. Maybe tell me the name of the project. Tell me the name of the project and I'll search it. Is it? Did you upload it to itch.io? In that case, it's much more trustworthy. Scratch Meet Edu. let's see, scratch meet edu. Oh, so this is, let me check. What's the name of the project? Tell me the name. Oh, never mind. I'm just going to write it there. Oh, did I write this correctly? Yes. Check this out. This is the error I get. I just project. That's the error. I just copy pasted it. Tell me the name. What's the name of the project so I can search it here? So for example, if the name of your game is Warriors, I can search it. Is this your game? Is this your game? Or is this one? Or this one? Let's search for Loop Hero. Loop Hero. There. This is your game. Popular game. Wow. Oh, look at this. Loop Hero. Nice. Anyway, just tell me Flight Simulator 3D. Let me see. Flight Simulator 3D. By Preston the God. Right? Preston? Wow, there are many flight simulators. Too many. Oh, these are very similar, by the way. I wonder why. It's the same screenshot. Okay. Preston the God. What? There. That's you. I guess it's here. Wow, those are many projects. It's like 1,000,000 projects. It's amazing. Indeed. Where is it? Cave. It's not here, right? Where is it? Top thing. No, this is not. This one. Wow, those are many projects. More than 200. Amazing. How long have you been doing Scratch projects? How long? 10 years? Geometry Dash. I've heard about that one. There we go. This one. 4 years. Impressive. Oh, I've seen this game. Very nice. Whoa. Okay, very interesting. Oh, add fuel. Ah, I see. Stall. Okay, well, it's impressive the amount of things you have. That's a lot. So it seems you take a pre-existing project and then you modify it, right? Is that right? Ah, I see. That's a bit creepy. Next. Okay. Have you started a game from the beginning, all by yourself? Oh, I see. RC car. Okay. Well, I want to see something you have done yourself. More recent. Oh, this one. Okay. Whoa. 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 Okay, maybe not so fast. There we go. Collisions? What collisions? They don't work. Collisions don't seem to work. Whee. Okay, very nice, interesting. I think you should try another, new engines too. It's time to go to the next level, you know. Here, I recommend you this one. This one. Try this one. You have a visual, how to say, a visual scripting language, which is nice. And it's free. I think it's free, or they have a free version, and you can make 2D games. It's really good. I tried it. Oh, why? Why is that? Come on. Or try this one. Godot. So you can go to the next level, you know, improve, do better things. See, and you can do C# and C++, get more complex things. Come on, just to play, just to have more fun with something else. Try Godot. Yes, maybe, you know, maybe Scratch isn't made for very complex things. Yes, yes. Maybe it can be easier with other engines, you know. Try other engines. Maybe it can be easier. Scratch can be... Maybe Scratch was done for educational purposes, but it seems to me that you get the idea. I mean, you got the basics. You already learned the basics. So, I mean, after 200 projects, that's a lot. After 4 years of Scratch, maybe it's time to upgrade, you know. I mean, try construct, and then you tell me what happens. Then you tell me what you think about construct. But try it, just to play, just to have fun. It's free. Yes, you can find my Discord on the Twitch page, on the how was it called, the about me section, where you can see my links and stuff. You can follow me on X and YouTube and Discord. Okay. Good. So Unity and Godot may be a bit too complex, but I think Construct is similar to Scratch, but it's also more advanced. So I recommend you try Construct, just for fun. See if you like it. And then you tell me what you think. There. Nope. I haven't learned, I mean, heard of solo learn. I haven't. I have not. Nope. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. There, iron sword. 2 slots. No, this one. 2 slot right. There, nice. Oh, I thought I fixed that. 1, 2. Alright. Add effect cards. String. Health. True. Nope. There. Okay. Let me check then. Oh, I see. So you learned Python. That's a good language. Yikes. Sites Google Constellation Schools. What's this? Oh, look at that. What's this? Sites Google. Oh, this is what you've done. Check this out. Okay, that's very good. What's this? Medium. This is very, very good. Did you make all this yourself? I don't know what this is, but it looks interesting. Okay, then you should try Construct for sure. Or even Godot. Why are you so scared of Godot? Don't be. I don't know. No idea. Oh, I see. Well, it's very impressive. It looks like you are very interested in programming. And I think that's good. Did you participate in game jams? Do you know itch.io? Itch.io? The page where people upload their games? Oh, you should. Wait, let me show you. Itch. There, so there, itch.io. There, you should participate in game jams. This one, these game jams. There are lots. See? So you can program games. Oh, there. Where you could participate in this. Look, so many people joining. See? 5,000 people. There is a lot of people participating. Well, I encourage you to participate so you can make games with programming. What? Really? It's so easy. Come here. You press this button. That's simple. It's that simple. You go to the dashboard and create a new project. You made far more complex things, I'm sure. You also have a community here where you can ask questions. Oh, and you can ask Grok too. Say, how do I create a new project on itch.io? There. Do you log in? You access to the dashboard, create the new project button. It's that simple. Then you fill in the details. So I encourage you to use Grok too. It's very good, very useful. This was drawn in snow. What do you mean in snow? What's this? Oh, it's AI? What's this? Snow entirely. It's an AI? Oh, I don't believe you. What do you mean? No, that's a lie. Drawn in snow. I don't believe that. I mean, drawn in snow, that's a crazy idea. Anyway, let me get back to work. So I was there. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I see. Oh, look at this. Hi, worm. That's a big worm. So that's... Oh, let me click here. Oh, impressive. You know a lot. You know a lot. You know programming, you know about bugs, I mean worms. Eee. Yikes. Impressive. I have no idea. So let's see. Combat targets list. Chase targets. So I don't know what's going on here. Let me... So the problem is that I have null elements in the lists, and they shouldn't be null. So what's the problem exactly? I'm not sure. There, 2 slots right. There as effect card to player. Health. True. Oop. There we go. Three. Okay. NCPE. I don't know what that is. MCPE. No idea. No idea what that is. What's this? Minecraft. Blocks times. Oh, look at that. Almost 1 year. What's this? Why is it divided? Wow! Nice. So there, I need to there, let me see the hero. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Interesting. Let's see. So here I have there. I have 2 chase targets and 2 combat targets. There. Wait a minute, why do we have 2 combat targets already? Why did I have 2 combat targets? Oh, don't you tell me. Oh, I know why. I know why. Or do I? Maybe I don't know. Also, what height map noise are you using? Oh, I'm using an asset for Unity called Map Magic. Here, this one. So it lets you create a map using these types of noises. So this is, I use many types. See, I use Voronoi, I use Perlin noise. See, it lets you use simplex, linear, and this one called Unity. So this one is a Perlin noise. This one is a Perlin noise too, but see, it creates many graphs, many images, and then combines them to create the procedurally generated map each time the game starts, which is an advantage of using a Unity, because it has many assets like this one. That saves me a lot of work, which is great for me, because it let me focus on making the game instead of programming everything, every single thing. So it's called Map Magic, this asset. So where was I? Their hero. Debug, so there anyway. Oh, look at that. There. What is going on with this? So I killed an enemy, and then I killed the slime, and then this guy went missing. Remove from list. Target slime. Remove chase target, remove combat target. Let's see what this does. Okay, it removes. Then removes the combat target 1 and 2. That's going to remove. Okay, then here it counts 1. Alright, but what's happened? Combat target list. What? Does Brave have to do a backflip Easter egg? What do you mean? I don't understand. Python Playground. Oh, nice. Does Brave have to do a backflip Easter egg? What? No understand. Do a backflip. When you search up, do a backflip. Let me see. Do a backflip. Does nothing. Oh, barrel. Do a barrel roll. Does nothing. Let's see. Do a barrel roll. Do a barrel roll. Nothing happens. Yes. Such. So why is this? Okay, so this is correct because this guy is left, but why is it missing? Did you? This one? Okay, I hope you're not hacking me. This is the Mandelbrot. How do I run it? There. Wow. Very impressive. What's body controls? What's this? Canvas, get element, parse float, precise canvas. Oh, so this is the Mandelbrot function. Wow, this is very complex. No idea what this means. Get color. This is very complex math. Interesting. Nice, nice. Can I zoom? Zoom. More speed. Oh, it doesn't zoom in. Come on, let me zoom in more. Doesn't want. Oh, it's the opposite. Okay. There. There we go. So nice. Very interesting. Let's go. So nice. Let's go to the center. Oh, my eyes, they're bleeding. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, enough. Thank you for that. Was nice. Let's go back to this. Remove from list target slime. So the slime should be removed. What happened there? Okay, target slime. That's correct. And then I enter here. Remove combat target. Should say there slime. No, I want a slime. I want to know the name. There. There we go. Let me see this, and then there. Oh, that's amazing. That's a very big number. Yeah, I thought it was, well, that's basically, well, not infinite, but I would say close to infinite. It makes no difference, right? Who's gonna zoom in so much? Remove combat target. There. Target count, targets count. Okay, so there. What's going on? Remove listener. Axe Battler killed slime. Okay, so this triggers the remove from list, and this kills in destroy game object. Entity being entity there is being killed. Yes. Yes. Model rot is very interesting. I wonder if it could be used for games. I've never seen it implemented in games, I think. Entity slime, activation Q kill, combat target list count 1. Next target of fractal block world. Okay, chase target or chase target. So the chase target is fine, the problem is the combat target list. Wait. Enabled modify health. Okay, let's see. Fractal block world. Fractal block world. Ah. So it was implemented, but surreal exploration. Yes. Okay. Interesting. So it's like Minecraft, but different. It's interesting. What do they say? Let me see. Okay, so it's like a maze. Interesting. Menger sponge fractal. Interesting, interesting. What's this? Another one? Okay, I should I have work to do. I shouldn't be so distracted. Otherwise I'm never going to finish. So there. Target trigger on kill events. Okay. Remove from list. Oh, okay. I'm gonna check that later. Remove from lists. Remove from lists. So the problem is that, see here, this list, it says element 0 is missing here. It shouldn't be missing. That's the problem. Because if this remains, this is a combat target, so it always targets this element, but this element is missing. See, that's the problem. That's the problem. But it only happens with the iron swords. So there you have it, that's the problem. A list that have null elements. Target weapon collider visitor. So this gets executed. Effect list read only. Define unused element 0. So this list stores enemies like this, see? This one, for example, this enemy template clone. So this chase targets works fine. There is this element 0, or it's the same than saying that on the first element there is an enemy. Okay, but on the first element of the combat targets list, there is a missing element. Also, did you define a list and forge that list start at an index of 0? Forget that list. No, I didn't. No. That's like a basic mistake, because some people think that when you start learning about lists and arrays, it's easy to confuse and think that they start at 1, but they don't start at 1, they start at index 0. But no, that's not the mistake I made here in this case. Maybe here a listener on combat exit. Let's see, what's this? Set ultra. Maybe change active target. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, maybe that's the problem. Okay. Yes, it happens. So maybe that's the problem. Oh, thank you. Thank you. But that won't be necessary. Also, I would need to pay for it, right? I don't want to pay for ChatGPT. I think Grok is better than ChatGPT. I tried ChatGPT to help me with programming, but I realized that Grok is better. ChatGPT has too much imagination and creates things that doesn't work. But Grok is much more effective and useful in my experience. Previous active target. Combat target list. So where is this use? Okay, so this is used here. Oh, maybe that's the problem. So here I change them. Right, yes, I change them. I change the place of them. I remove it and then I insert it again on the first place. me see. No. In C sharp, what does list dot insert do? Okay, zero based where the item should be inserted. Okay, it must be within range 0. Okay, similar to add. Okay. So if I write 1, it's on 1. Okay. Okay, so this is correct because it's placed on 1. How can I move an element inside a list? Remove it and insert. Okay. So that's how it's done. So that's the same, I guess. So this is before destroying it and killing it. Oh, check this out. So what happens if here I kill the target, I mean I kill the previous target, then it gets, okay, that's the problem. Here is the problem. What happens if the previous target was killed? If that's the case, then the first element in the combat target list will be null. So that's what's happening. Okay, let's get distracted. Oh, look, a cat. I love cats. There is the moon, there is the sun. What's this? Cleveland city profile. So this is a image of YouTube, I guess. And it's all broken. What a skins? Oh, this, I thought this was the moon. Yes, that's a very weird moon. Okay. Yes, I realized. Wow, you're into many things. You know a lot of things, don't you? What happens if the previous target was killed? So that's what happens. That's what happens. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna do like this. If previous target entity, my entity being, right? Is this killed? So this will only happen as long as the previous target wasn't killed. That's it. Wow, that's a lot of images. There. So that should fix the problem. it should be restored if the target is not dead. Let's be more specific. If the target was not killed by the recent attack. Okay, so that should fix it. What else do we have here? But he will get away with saying self-report. Oh, I don't play this. I never play this game. I don't get it. I no understand. Who's here? Oh no. That's really bad. Okay. So I think I fixed this. Let's see if it's true. Preston. Okay. Oh. Okay, I don't like this. Two slot left. There. Oh, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Okay, I have an iron sword, I have this. One slot right. Okay, so this one activates the other one. Add effect. Let's add health. Let's say true. Perfect. There, let's add it there. There we go. So let's add that here. Whoop, let's wait. Let's see this. Is everything alright? Yes, the problem is fixed. Because I just killed a slime. There, I just killed a slime and the lists are okay. Yes, Among Us. But I never played that game. Okay, there we go. Let's see. There we go. Nice. All right. Wait, what happened here? Okay, the lists are empty. Why are you still there? So the lists are fine, but now my hero got stuck. He isn't moving for some reason. Okay, damage goblin. No more chase targets. Entity being goblin is being killed. Okay, so if there are no more chase targets, then I should start moving to the next. No more chase targets. Okay. No, I mean that. No, what? All references. Undamaged. What? Undamaged? Oh, that's the event of the equipables. Okay. JoJo's. A JoJo on the book. Okay. What's this? Oh no, you can't eat that. No, you don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No, please don't eat it. Those things cannot be eaten. If you eat it, you will end up in the hospital. Please don't eat it. Okay. Good luck with Geometry Dash. Wow. Why? That's dangerous, you know? It can explode. Those electronic things, they can explode. So be careful with that. Don't burn them. Don't burn electronic stuff. Some of the components can explode. Be careful, or they can, who knows, they can throw debris, you know. If the explosion doesn't hurt you, a debris could fly away, and who knows. No, it doesn't matter if it isn't charged. Yikes. That looks very dangerous, honestly. Be careful. Security should be your first concern. Because imagine if you lose an eye, one of your eyes, for example. Was it worth it? You're gonna be eyeless. And you're gonna ask yourself, was that worth it? Be careful. Okay. So where are you stuck? On kill event. Previous active target. Activation Q kills. Okay. Set target. Oh, look at this. No chase targets. Okay. So we have no more chase targets. maybe they want to protect the inner parts. They are super durable that way. Next time. Chase target list. Next target. Okay. Undamaged. Okay, I don't need this. Yes, it's a sequel. I created the original loop hero by myself, and this is a sequel for sure. What? Okay, I'm gonna look at it later. Trying to make a viral video, trying to be famous, destroying a PSU. Everything for fame. Why did you do that? Did you know? Once I was with an axe, splitting some wood, and I hit my leg with the axe because the wood was stuck. It got stuck in the axe, and when I tried to hit it on with another piece of wood, the wood came flying away, and I ended up hitting my leg with the axe really hard. I thought I split my leg in two, but thankfully it didn't happen. It was extremely painful, and it left me with a mark. But I didn't end up in the hospital. I was lucky, I think. I was very lucky. No more chase targets. Hero. Entity activation Q killed. Add to rank Q set goal. No more. Wow. Did he lose his face? kill. Okay. Kill true. This shouldn't be public anyway. Wow, he got lucky. So much luck. Entity, goblin, being killed. Okay. Hero travel start. So it should be here, I guess. Hero travel start. So this is called from what? Where is this called from? From the auto battles manager. They're on exit combat. So when I exit combat, there. Hero travel start because I exited combat. There on exit combat. And this is called from the auto battles manager. Equipable stick. On exit combat, alright. On exit combat event, when all combat targets are removed, there, and this here should be the same event. There, on exit combat, hero travel start, should start traveling to the next. There, get next building to visit. So what happened with this? The building placer. Alright, let's see. The building placer. Where is it? Constructed there. Cave. So that's the cave. Visited, not visited. So what's your problem? This was not visited. Get next building to visit. Constructed building queue. Constructed building queue. There, should be there. What's your problem? Receipt. Okay. So this should return the building. Weird. So there he should. My travel controller. Where is the travel controller? What? Oh, hero travel. Where is this hero travel? They're here. Is traveling. Has reached destination. Really? My travel controller. Travel controller. Mono behavior. Here travel. Oh, just a travel controller. This one. So this should have a cave as a destination. But he isn't moving. He isn't moving. Cave. So why isn't he moving? Use movement. Manage a state. Wait, normal. Reach destination? No. So you think you reached your destination? Okay, so that's the problem. You think you reached your destination. I mean, you did. You did reach your destination. Okay, yes. So it seems. Okay, you did reach the destination. But you don't want to move. So this set the building, this set the cave, right? So is traveling should be set to true. Is traveling true, yes. And has reached destination. So where is this used? Here. Check destination reach. So this is in update. Okay, so this checks is if has reached destination is true. Has reached destination. So the travel controller, I mean this one, yes, reach destination, true. True. So then this is reached, I mean this is fired on destination reach. This should fire on destination reached. So it's not here, there. On destination reached. This is there. Oh, but this is the first one. So that means it's only fired once. Set building visited. On destination reached. So, okay, what's the problem here? I don't understand. Reach destination. So why didn't you fire? Why did this only fire once at the beginning? Why did this only fire? Come on, you can do it. No, not you. Oh, what? Hero travel on destination reached. This didn't fire. Okay, target. Allow travel. Maybe allow travel was set to false. Allow travel. Wow, that's pretty difficult, I would say. Set allow travel. So this is set following enabled. Maybe this is set to false. Set following. AI destination setter. So this is enabled. Allow travel. So where is this? On combat exit, set allow travel to true. Okay. So this should be true. What? So this is a private. There, allow travel true. Yes, that's okay. So that's not the problem. Allow travel is not the problem. Maybe let's do this. There. And let's try again. Bye bye. Thanks for all these resources you shared. They were interesting. Thank you. See you later. Have a good day. You too. Bye bye. Okay, I'm gonna check it later. I'm gonna check Discord later. Okay. Gonna check that later. There we go. Slot to slot right. Destination reached to all. That's because the destination hasn't been reached. Okay, fine. Oh, again, I made mistake, but it doesn't matter. Let's do add effect card player health and draw. Let's try again. There we go. There. So let's build that guy. Oh, to right. To right. Now it's going to attack. There we go. Okay, now you work. Now you want to work. Fine. What do we have here? Stone and there. That's clear. Okay, there you got stuck again. What? The destination is missing. Why is that? Oh no, what's this? Again, it's missing again. So I thought I fixed this issue, but what happens now? Slash enable combo component execute axe battle kills goblin. Why do I have 3 targets? Did I have 3 targets? I don't think that's right. Activation kill killed. Combat target list count. So that's the next target. Next target off should say axe battler. Okay, I don't need this. Here it just moves the chase target. Wait, what if this is... What if the target list is dead? Right? What if this guy is dead? No, that's impossible because it's removed from the combat list. Here. Here, see? There, on killed event. Wait a minute. So on killed event, trigger on killed event, right? So who was killed? This one. Okay, so this one got killed. Okay, so that's a mistake I made. That's okay. So this guy needs to be removed from the lists. And I don't actually need to call this guy. There, add on kill. Actually, this should be called why this isn't needed. I don't need this. Unkilled should say unkilled. They're unkilled, not unkill. I don't need this because when I kill a target, I don't need to remove I don't need to remove its list. I don't need to clear them manually. So when I kill the target, I trigger its unkilled event, and I need to remove the target from my lists. They're removed from combat list. There, that's what I should be doing. There we go. Okay, the profiler. There we go. There. Do I need this? Anyway. There. I don't need this. Let's add this there. Let's add a combo. No, this is not what I need. Activate, yes. Add effect card. Health. And this is true. And this is health minus. There. Slot to the right. Okay, ready, go. Oh no, too close. There. So we have two enemies there. Let's make sure everything works correctly. Oh no, did we start wrong already? Oh man. Okay, so from the beginning it works terribly bad. Well, just bad, not terribly bad. There, okay, one slot right. There we go. One slot right. Add effect. Add effect. Let's add health. Let's add true. Let's add +3. Let's add this. Okay, let's make sure that everything works correctly, so it starts empty as it should. Wait, let me see. There, so when it enters, it should add the chase ones. Okay. So why do I have a combat target? No idea. But this guy. Why do I have a combat target? Maybe I should fix that first. So why do I have a combat target? Add combat target. Hero. So it's in 3 places. Oh. That's because I have like a range combat and a close combat. That's why. So that works correctly. It's a combat target, but it's a range combat target. So it's okay. It's okay. Let's see what's the problem then. Okay, first kill. The axe butler killed the slime. Okay, next. Oh. So let's see. Ah. So he can't hurt him. Okay, so that's a very steep inclination. So where are the heroes? We have the enemies, we have the hero there. Let me change the collider. So let's make it a bit there. So the size should be like this. There we go. That's good enough, I guess. Let's try again. Oh wait, I need to disable it, I think. There we go. Yes, disable it. Okay. Okay, come on, I'm gonna get something to eat and then I'm gonna return to try to fix this problem. With the swords. Let me just do this. Okay,